There is a city in the world where mountains meet the ocean, where music fills the streets, and where every corner tells a story. Rio de Janeiro is not just a destination. It is an experience that stays with you long after you leave. Nestled between lush green peaks and the sparkling Atlantic Ocean, this Brazilian gem has captured the hearts of millions of travelers from every corner of the globe. The city is alive in a way that few places on Earth can match, pulsing with energy, color, and an infectious joy that locals call saudade, a deep emotional connection to the beauty around them. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden neighborhoods, Rio de Janeiro is a place where nature and culture collide in the most spectacular fashion. Standing tall at the summit of Corcovado Mountain, the statue of Christ the Redeemer is one of the most recognized images in the entire world. Rising approximately 30 meters above its pedestal, with arms stretched wide, as if embracing the entire city below, this Art Deco masterpiece was completed in 1931 and has since become a symbol of peace, welcome, and Brazilian identity. The journey up to the statue itself is breathtaking. Whether you take the train through the Tijuca forest or hike the winding trails surrounded by tropical wildlife. Once at the top, the panoramic view of Rio stretches endlessly in every direction. You can see Sugarloaf Mountain, Guanabara Bay, the famous beaches, and the sprawling neighborhoods below, all wrapped in a golden haze that makes the city look almost unreal. Just as iconic as Christ the Redeemer, Sugarloaf Mountain rises dramatically from the edge of Guanabara Bay, offering another perspective of Rio that is equally stunning. The cable car ride to the top is an adventure in itself, gliding over the treetops and rocky cliffs before revealing the full panorama of the city and its coastline. Guanabara Bay, one of the largest bays in the world, is dotted with small islands and framed by mountains on all sides, creating a natural amphitheater of breathtaking beauty. At sunset, the entire scene transforms into a canvas of orange, pink, and gold, making it one of the most photographed moments in all of South America. No visit to Rio de Janeiro is complete without spending time on its legendary beaches. Copacabana stretches for nearly 4 kilometers of golden sand, lined with mosaic sidewalks, beach kiosks, and the constant rhythm of beach volleyball and samba music. Ipanema, just next door, carries a slightly more upscale atmosphere, but is equally vibrant, famous for its beautiful sunsets and the inspiration behind the beloved bossa nova song, The Girl from Ipanema. These beaches are not just places to swim. They are social hubs where locals and visitors gather to play, relax, and celebrate life from early morning until well after sunset. Rio de Janeiro's food scene is as rich and layered as its culture. The city's most iconic dish is feijoada, a hearty black bean stew slow-cooked with various cuts of pork, including sausage, ribs, and smoked meats. Traditionally served on Saturdays, feijoada is accompanied by white rice, collard greens, orange slices, and farofa, which is toasted cassava flour. It is a dish that tells the story of Brazil's history, blending African, Portuguese, and indigenous influences into one deeply satisfying bowl. Street food is equally beloved in Rio, with pastel, a crispy fried pastry filled with cheese or meat, being a favorite snack at local markets. Pão de queijo, small cheesy bread rolls made from tapioca flour, are eaten at any time of day and are impossible to resist. For something sweet, brigadeiro, a chocolate truffle made from condensed milk and cocoa powder, rolled in chocolate sprinkles, is the ultimate Brazilian indulgence. Washing everything down with a fresh caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail made from cachaça, lime, and sugar, or a chilled glass of acai juice, completes the full sensory journey that Rio de Janeiro so generously offers to everyone who arrives with an open heart and an empty stomach.